Welcome back to English for Devs, the podcast that helps developers communicate clearly, confidently, and professionally in English. Today we're covering a topic every dev faces sooner or later: job interviews. And in this episode, I'll walk you through 5 simple steps that will help you sound prepared, strategic, and truly impressive. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Know the company and the role. Most candidates know nothing specific about the company, and interviewers feel it immediately. So here's your first step. Learn the company's product, mission, tech stack, and market. Read the job description line by line. Note 3 responsibilities and 3 skills the role requires. Then, prepare 1 line you can use in the intro. I applied because your team is building, and I want to contribute with my experience in... Clear, short, focused. It works every time. Step 2. Master your personal intro, the 60-second pitch. Your introduction sets the tone. Most people talk for too long. Instead, use this simple formula: present, past, future. Present, what you do now. Past, 1 to 2 relevant experiences. Future, why you're interested in this role. Example: I'm a front-end developer focusing on React. In my last role, I built reusable UI components and improved performance by 25%. Now I'm looking to join a team where I can work on scalable products and grow in architecture. Boom. 1 minute. Clean, professional. Step 3. Use the STAR method for behavioral questions. Interviewers want to know how you work, not just what you know. That's why they ask questions like, tell me about a challenge. Describe a time when... Use STAR. Situation, task, action, result. Include a metric. Always end with a number. As a result, we reduced load time by 40%. Numbers equals credibility. Metrics equals seniority. Step 4. Show your technical thinking. Technical interviews are not just about the final answer. Interviewers want to hear how you think. So remember to ask clarifying questions, think out loud, compare solutions, explain trade-offs. This shows maturity, teamwork, and real-world problem-solving skills. Step 5. Ask smart questions at the end. The interview isn't over until you ask questions. No questions equals no interest. Here are smart ones that make you sound engaged and thoughtful. How does this team measure success? What are the biggest challenges in the first 90 days? What does growth look like for this role? And finish with, is there anything else you'd like me to clarify about my experience? This line is gold. Always use it. Let's recap the 5 steps to ace your next job interview. 1. Know the company and the role. 2. Master your elevator pitch. 3. Use the STAR method for behavioral questions. 4. Show your technical thinking out loud. 5. Ask smart closing questions. If you follow these 5 steps, your interviews will feel smoother, clearer, and more successful. Thank you for listening to English for Devs. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to follow the podcast and share it with a friend who's preparing for a tech interview. And remember, you don't just write code, you communicate it. See you in the next episode.